Of course, Akina Makanov of the Heidel High School, she will be the favorite heading into that 400 meters. Everybody expects her to do well. Also, Smith Band of Jamaica College, he also had the fastest time heading into the final as well. He looks composed, he looks ready, he looks confident, and I'm sure he's going to do damage for the Old Hope Road-based institution. It's a ding-dong battle, and after 12 finals, we have the updates on the points for you. In 11th position, tied on 11th, is Mount Alvernia and Clarendon College with 9 points. Holy Childhood is 10th with 11. Camperdown is 9th with 12. Wolmer's girls, they're 10th. Now 9th, Wolmer's with 15. 8th, St. Mary High with 16. St. Catherine, they're 7th with 22. They're tied with Alphonsus Davis as well. Immaculate is 5th with 43. St. Jago, 48 points in 4th. Homewood Technical, 51.5 points. Heidel, second, 66 points. And in first position, and the defending champions, Edwin Allen, they are on 71 points. For the boys, after 9 finals, top 5, St. Elizabeth Technical, they're on 27 points in 5th position. In 4th, St. Jago with 32 points. Calabar, they are in 3rd position with 34 points. Kingston College, the defending champions, they are just 2 points behind with 73 points in 2nd position. And the Old Hope Road-based institution, Jamaica College, they are first on just 75 points. Excitement here at the Boys and the Girls Athletics Championships Day 3. I'm Christopher Scott. It's back to you, Jill.